In this video, we will show you how to use the command finder to help you find commands throughout Mastercam. Command finder is found in the home menu on the right side of the ribbon. It is called command finder. You simply left click on command finder. Once you left click on command finder, you will see a dialog box pop up called command finder. You can now enter in what you are looking for inside of Mastercam. In this case here, I want to extend my two lines by 1/4 inch each. So I'm going to type in extend. Once I type in extend, Mastercam will give me a bunch of options to pick from. In this case here, I want to trim, break, and extend my lines. So I double click on my option that I am looking for. The dialog box for that option I picked will populate on the left side of the screen. In this case, I want to extend my line by 1/4 inch. I can simply go and extend my lines and green check out of my trim, break, extend option. This is a simple but very useful tool in Mastercam to help you find commands in Mastercam.